Fire burns, it does not freeze. It means that there are certain elements which have certain specific properties, and due to a natural phenomena they result into specific consequences. Just like a larva which will never develop into a potato but will always develop into a butterfly. So man has realized that there are certain means which are available to him for achieving certain results. And in achieving these results, there is a process of growth involved. And this process of growth has been realized only by man due to his faculty of reasoning. That is the reasoning power which a man holds. For example, a man may realize that achieving good health is an end worth achieving for the society at large. And for this, he may prescribe certain norms and behavior that should be adopted by the people so that this end can be achieved. And for achieving this end, certain regulations may be made. And these regulations finally result in the making of laws. Because law keeps a check whether the means which have been adopted by man, are they correct or not? Even though man can control his destiny, but he is in fact governed by certain basic impulses, just like the impulse of self-preservation, that is to protect oneself so that he survives. Secondly, there is the impulse of procreation, that is reproduction, which is similar to all other living creatures on the planet. And then thirdly, the most important being, which is peculiar only to a man, is the impulse to improve. That is the impulse to achieve higher and better things. And with this involves the process of growth, and a man realizes that to achieve those higher and better things, he should apply his mind, and the reasoning ability helps him realize that to achieve those better things, he has to move on to the good path. That is, which results in realizing that there is something called good and there is something called wrong. Or we can say that there is something called right, something called wrong. And with this concept, man realizes that for the society at large, good should be taken and evil should be avoided. And on this concept of natural law are based all the other precepts of law on which the foundation of every law is made. And then who decides what is right and what is good? It is the basic impulses of the human mind which helps him realize what is good. Thank you, and please keep subscribing to my channel and share my videos, and do comment in the comment box. And if you do not understand any concept, please mail it to me or write it there, and I'll freely entertain your questions. I'm always waiting for your questions, and please feel free to share all your opinions. Thank you.